Welcome to Market Peeker. Today, we're exploring a key topic for crypto traders: centralized versus decentralized exchanges. What's the difference, and which one is right for you? Let's dive in. Centralized exchanges, or CEXs, like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, act as middlemen. They're user-friendly, fast, and offer customer support, making them great for beginners. However, since you trust the exchange to hold your funds, you're exposed to risks, like hacks or mismanagement. On the other hand, decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, let you trade directly from your wallet. There's no middleman, which means greater control over your assets. But DEXs often have higher fees, slower transactions, and a steeper learning curve. Centralized exchanges also come with KYC requirements, or Know Your Customer, meaning you'll need to provide personal information to trade. While this enhances security and compliance, it compromises privacy. Additionally, centralized exchanges have the authority to ban accounts or freeze funds under certain circumstances, such as regulatory issues or account violations, which is not possible with decentralized exchanges. So, how do you choose? Use centralized exchanges for convenience and liquidity, but consider decentralized exchanges if you prioritize privacy and security. Many traders use both, depending on their needs.